Hi and welcome to the Safe Food Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use the Resource Library, a feature designed to keep all of your food safety documentation organized and accessible. The Resource Library allows you to store essential documents like food safety policies, allergen management plans, supplier agreements, and equipment manuals. Your team can access these resources anytime through the mobile app or the web console, ensuring everyone has the information that they need to maintain your food safety compliance. So let's get started with adding and managing resources in Safe Food Pro. Firstly, let's talk about adding a new resource. To add a resource, start by opening the Safe Food Pro web console and navigating to the Resources section. Once you're there, click on the Upload File button in the top right-hand corner. You'll then be asked to choose the type of resource you want to upload. This could be a document, a certificate, or even a web link. Once you've selected your file from your computer, it's time to fill in the details. Start with a clear name like Allergens Management Policy, then assign it to a folder or subfolder to keep things organized. If applicable, add details like issue dates, certificate numbers, or an expiry date. And finally, select the file's assignment. You could assign it to a user, a supplier, a piece of equipment, or just leave it general. Once everything looks good, click Save to upload your resource. It's that simple. Now let's talk about keeping your resources organized. Folders are a great way to group similar resources together. To create a folder, go to the tree view on the left-hand side of the resource library, click the three-dot menu and select Add Folder. Give it a name, and you're ready to start adding your resources to this folder. Need to move files? No problem. Select your files you want to move, then drag them to the desired folder, or select the files and use the Move option from the Bulk Actions menu at the bottom of your screen. If you need to delete a file or folder, click the three-dot menu next to it and select Delete. If you want to delete multiple files at a time or an entire folder, you'll be prompted to type out the word Delete before you're able to do so for your file safekeeping. Be cautious though, deleting is permanent. Next up, let's look at filtering and exporting resources. If you're managing a lot of documents, filtering is a quick way to find what you need. You can filter by resource type, like training certificates or supplier agreements, or by who it's assigned to. You can also filter by dates, which is super helpful for tracking expiring certificates or recently uploaded resources. Once you've applied your filters, you can export the results as a CSV file. This is especially handy for sharing a list of resources with your team or auditors. Finally, let's cover bulk uploading. If you have multiple files to upload, Safe Food Pro makes it easy. Just click the Upload File button, select all the files you want from your device, and upload them in one go. You can assign details like the folders or expiry dates or assignments to all files at once. Once everything's ready to go, click Upload to finish. And that's it. With the Resource Library, you can ensure all of your food safety documentation is well organized and accessible to your team whenever they need it. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please reach out to our support team at support@safefoodpro.com.